Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made AYAM BAKAR. The ingredients are listed below. First thing to do is to make the paste by combining red onions, garlic, ginger, chili peppers, cashew nuts, coriander seeds, turmeric powder, paprika, annatto powder, salt, and water. Using a food processor, grind it until it becomes a paste. Next is to heat an oil into a pan and add in the paste that you made and make sure to reduce it. Also stir it occasionally so that it won't burn. And once it has reduced and changed in color, add in lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, bay leaves, and stir it together until it becomes fragrant. Once the paste dries out, toss in the chicken and make sure to continuously mix until all the chicken has been coated by the paste. Then add water and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Season it with brown sugar and tamarind paste and stir it again. And finally add ketchup mayonnaise. Make sure to stir it and allow it to simmer until all the sauce or the gravy have been reduced and has thickened. At this point, you may now turn off the heat and continuously coat the chicken with the sauce. To finish it off, you may preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and cook the chicken 10 minutes per side. Also, don't forget to coat the chicken with the sauce so that the chicken would absorb it. Once done, you may now serve the AYAM BAKAR. Enjoy!